Okay, so we have a physics question that says study the simple pendulum. A simple pendulum, it is just a simple setup which helps us to understand how long and the gravitational field or the force acting on an object per unit cycle. For example, this it is a fixed structure, this is a string, and this is the bulb, the actual object which is moving. So now the question is saying if it takes the bulb, meaning this one, bulb 0.5 seconds to swing from A to B, find the period. Okay, when they say the period, it is a time taken for the complete cycle. Now the formula, it is this one. We say a capital letter T like this, it is equal to a small letter t over any there. So this time it is a period, this time it is a time for a cycle. Now they have said from A to B, so from here coming to B there. So now this is 1 over 4. Now from here going there, it is 2 over 4. Now from there coming back to B, it is 3 over 4. From B coming back to A, which is a complete cycle, it is 4 over 4, which is 1. Okay? Now they are saying to move from A to B, which is 1 over 4. So what is the time? 0.5. So here you put 0.5 like this. How about the cycle? The cycle they have said from A to B. So A to B it is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4. You say equal. So 0.5 like this. So 1 in 4 into 1, it is 0.25 like this. So now we say 0.25 into 0.5 is going to give me 2 seconds, which is the answer.